2019 Toyota Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable mid-size car. Reliable and great comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, Homelink garage door opener, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, auto-dimming rear view mirror, power windows, security system, rear window defroster, trip computer, electronic stability control, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, brake assist, tachometer, overhead console, power driver's seat, tilt steering wheel, front reading lamps. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.